Hello everyone, my name is Awan Setiawan. I'm from Indramayu and I'm student of University Negeri Semarang. And today we're gonna learn about how to uncovering the scientific phenomena behind the Ngarot ceremony. Okay, everyone. I have a question for you. Has anyone or ever heard about the Ngarot ceremony? Okay, I'm gonna show you. This is Ngarot ceremony from Indramayu
yang masih dirasakan oleh masyarakat desa Lele, Kecamatan Lele, Kabupaten Indramayu, Jawa Barat. Peserta Ngarot sendiri adalah para anak muda yang masih perawan dan perjaka. Tradisi ini dilaksanakan di akhir tahun antara bulan Oktober hingga Desember. Untuk penentuan harinya sendiri harus hari Rabu. Tradisi Ngarot sendiri dilaksanakan sebagai ungkapan rasa syukur kepada Sang Maha Kuasa atas limpahan hasil panennya serta sebagai upaya menyambut kedatangan musim tanam baru. Tradisi Ngarot dimulai sejak abad ke-17, tepatnya pada tahun 1686, ketika seorang tetua desa yang bernama Bapak Kapol menghibahkan tanahnya seluas 2,6 hektar untuk dijadikan sebagai tanah desa, di mana hasil dari olahan tanah tersebut diperuntukkan untuk kemakmuran desa.
Okay. Do you think a traditional ceremony can be related to physics? Okay, let's find it together. Before we start, I have a motivation for you. Many people think that physics is only about formulas and calculation. But actually, physics is a science that is very close to our daily lives, even within our local culture. For example, in Indramayu, there is a traditional ceremony called Ngarot, which is Thanksgiving ritual to welcome the rice planting season. In this ceremony, there are gamelan music, pardes, dances, and symbolic tradition. All of this can be explained scientifically from physics concept. From this lesson, we can see that physics does not only exist in laboratories, but also lies within culture and tradition. Okay, so the learning objective for today, number one, to recognize the Ngarot ceremony as cultural heritage of the Indramayu community. Number two, able to explain the physics concept contained in ceremonial activities. Number three, to relate the application of physics in the life and local tradition. So, what actually happens in the Ngarot ceremony? Okay, Ngarot is traditional event held in Lele village, Indramayu, as a symbol of gratitude to God before the rice planting season. The ceremony involves part of young men and women dressed in traditional clothing, playing gamelan music, and crying farming clothes and rice seedlings. Okay, let's see how physics is in this culture event. Number one, song and vibration. In the Ngarot ceremony, gamelan instruments produce beautiful songs that fill the atmosphere. These songs are created to vibration when the metal plates or strings are struck. They vibrate and produce sound waves that travel through the air to our ears. Physics concept. Gamelan sound, mechanical wave, frequency determines pitch, amplitude determines loudness. So, when you hear the lively rhythm of gamelan during Ngarot, you're actually experiencing the physics in action. Okay. Number two, light and color. During Ngarot, the participants were packed in traditional clothes, such as cloth, red, and green, symbolizing fertility and happiness. The beautiful color we are result of reflection and absorption. Its fabric absorbs for tiny flame and other color. That's why we perceive different color. Physics concept. Light is an electromagnetic wave. Color depends on the length of reflected light. Example, red fabric reflects red and absorbs outer color. So the dazzling color in the Ngarot part not only culture symbol, but also a real example of optic in daily lives. Okay, number three, mention and force. The Ngarot part involves people walking in groups includes crying, offering, and performing traditional dance. All these activities involve motion and force. Physics concept. When dance move rhythmically, their bodies experience periodic motion similar to oscillation. The part precession show uniform motion when moving at constant speed. The crying of objects show the concept of force, balance, and torque. So, even in culture movements, physics governs how people move gracefully and efficiently. Number 4, energy transformation. In activity of power, there is energy transformation happening. The music had mentioned converts chemical energy from the body into mechanical energy to hit the gamelan. The sound from the gamelan changes mechanical energy into sound energy. The light reflecting from custom change radiant energy into visual perception and our eyes. Physics teaches us that energy is never lost, only changed from. That's why we can say the art ceremony is full of beautiful energy, but culture and physical. Okay, so the art ceremony is not just a local tradition, but also a real-life classroom of physics. It teaches us that physics is not limited to formulas, but is alive in every sound, color, and motion around us. By understanding physics in culture, we not only perceive motion, but also appreciate the science that is meaningful. Okay, everyone, that's all for today. Let's keep on living class in culture and in life. Thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.